should be over with the week.
Oh my god!
Dan.
Hey.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? I hear something this morning, and I'm like, someone sounds like they hit the trash can. We come out, look at Dad.
Take it, Dan.
Oh man.
Hey man, I'm just testing the durability of this Toyota.
Oh my god. Somebody explain this.
No, see what had happened was I backed up.
It was the mama badger and her babies just ran across the road.
I pulled in here and I backed up and I was like, and I looked at my rear view right here and I was like, okay, I'm good on this side. And by the time I looked on this side to check, I was already off. I was like, well, here we go.
Man with her.
Hey, you never seen somebody do a side donut? I should have just left it there and done
A side Bernie.
You cannot tell me this car does not sound good.
mail time. What, third one this week?
Not this week, but third one.
Oh, thanks, Brad. Thanks, Brad. I'm stealing this for the XP.
Dude.
Listen. You guys will see why when everybody says, "Hey, this sticker's for Dan." You'll see why here coming shortly.
Let's test it out.
It works, kid.
Hey everybody, by the way, it's Dan's birthday. Wish him a happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Thanks, guys. I turned. Actually, guess in the comments. How old do you guys think I am?
Old AF.
Old AF.
Yeah, just guess, everybody. Goodness.
Look at that. JDM spoolie boy.
Okay, I'm done.
Whoa.
She's a big boy.
Yeah.
V-band exhausts. V-band
Really nice
downpipe.
turbo.
V-band all the things. And then look at this sweet center section.
Yeah, it's like the
No-
heat.
Yeah, no water
Or,
cooling lines to worry about.
And it's like a heat, what do they call that?
Heat
Heat
sink?
sink, yeah.
Yeah.
That's really freaking rad.
Yup.
It's rad for Brad.
Rad for Brad.
Yeah.
See, now the first thing you need to do when you get these turbos mounted on the car, and then you just want to take your finger and stick it in here while it's running, just to be sure that it's, you know, running to full force.
Do not do that. Do not.
Do not seek treasure.
Do not seek the treasure.
Ooh, is that the fuel filter?
Not for Brad's, but it's for Hunters.
Wait, it's
Ooh.
like a freaking little.
Yeah, it's an
missile.
inline. It's like stainless steel
That's
mesh
legit.
inside of it, so you can clean it and reuse it.
Nice.
10 micron. Yep.
Sweet. Switch out of
What are
this.
you, what are you
account.
doing? Oh, get it off the porn site there.
No, that's Dapper.
Oh, okay.
This
all
is
right.
me. I was getting off the business.
No,
one,
I know. You don't masturbate mobily.
So I can go in here and I can. What is?
Straight up little Dickie reference.
We can go to Mr. Rival GTR right here and we can go, "Hey Brad!"
I think it's a 75 millimeter.
I don't know. It's a 5862 Gen 2.
Okay.
That's what.
Oh, this is a.
Isn't it?
No, that's what this one is in here. That's the 5862. This is more like a 75 something. 6870 HP.
Hey, Chris, I've got a really big question for you though.
Actually, let me see this.
Do you want to do a burnout in an MR2?
Do you? You can't ask them.
How are you gonna do a burnout in the MR2? It's NA.
I thought you were a good driver. Any good driver can do a burnout, right?
That's why your last name is
His
Driver.
name is Driver. He's not living up to
doing
it.
a burnout in an NA
No,
MR2.
you.
Mid-engine, rear-wheel
You got
drive
it.
car. It's not gonna do shit.
We can put some water on the ground.
Darn, son.
No, don't do it.
No, we wanted you to do it.
That wasn't my idea.
What'd you think of that, CJ? What do you think about that thing?
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder how much a $55,000 car loan will be. $55,000 car loan at 5% interest over 60 months.
Just for the record, it's getting listed at higher than 55. Chris is just using 55 as an instance.
That's what I would buy it for.
Oh, that's what it's worth to you.
Because the person selling it would give me a deal. Okay. Because I'm Chris Driver. We're listening at 57.9. 57.9. 5 years is $900 a month.
Ouch.
That's not
That's
that
5
bad.
years. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I mean you could do 7 years.
Do they have a 12-year car
12
mortgage?
years.
All right, well, we had fun making this video. We forgot to take the vlog camera along because we're stupid. But,
Yeah, we are pretty dumb.
but we did have a good time.
We had a great time. I had a great time. I was driving.
And
so
check out the video for this because it's going to be nasty.
it's gonna be awesome. It is.
Yes, sir.